Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to show you how to get these gorgeous heatless curls. So if you've been following my channel for quite some time, then you know that I love heatless curls. So I thought that I would show you my take on these heatless curls using this. So I am using the rope that comes with my dressing gown. This is great, especially if you have long hair, but it can also be used for pretty much any hair length. Of course, if you don't have this, you don't need to go out of your way and buy a whole dressing gown just for this. You can use many alternatives such as long socks, any like thick ribbon type materials, tights, pantyhose, however you want to call it, leggings, and much more. You could just find something that's just like the rope that I'm using from the rope. So as you can see, I've brushed my hair, split my hair into two sections, and I've placed the rope on top of my head like a headband and securing one side with a hair tie. This is just to keep the rope in place and just keep the other section separate from the other half that I'll be working on. So with the section I didn't tie my hair with, I'm going to be grabbing like about 1 inch section and just wrapping it around the rope once. Then once I've wrapped it around once, I'm grabbing another roughly about 1 inch section, combining it with the first one, so you've got the first and the second strand, and then I'm going to wrap it around again. I'm just going to keep on doing it, working my way down my head, just kind of like a French braid, you know, but like without the braiding bit, just like twisting it instead. So I carry this on just till I reach the end of my hair, securing it in place with a hair tie. Now moving on to the other side, I just take out the hair tie and then I just do the exact same with this half. As you can tell, this is a really quick, a really easy method of doing heatless curls, and this is how heatless curls should be. It should be nice, quick and easy. It shouldn't be a struggle to do, and this is just such an easy method. So to secure this masterpiece in place, I'm just twisting each half in the direction of the curls just to make them feel more secured on my head, and then I'm just going to cross them over at the back, and I'm just going to bring the ends of the rope at the front, and as you can see at the front, I'm just going to do a double knot. You can do a bow, whatever you want. You can just do it as long as it's nice and secured. And then all that's left to do is just leave it in, go to sleep, do your regular routine, and then wake up the following morning. This is the next day, and as you can see, I am undoing the rope on my head and releasing the curls. I feel like this is pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't really have to explain much. You could just see as it is. You can also see that I'm talking in the video, but the audio wasn't so good, so here I am, hi, doing the voiceover. So once the curls are out, just play around with your hair a little bit, just loosening up the curls and just making it more free, I guess. I like to run my hair through a brush just to make the curls come out more of a soft curl. But yeah, here it is, another simple and easy heatless curls method. Make sure to check out my other heatless curls methods if you're interested and you haven't already. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because it's free, might as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.